How to remove Google account from all devices. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, select the account that you want to remove from other devices. After that, tap on Manage your Google account. You will be taken to your Google account page. Go to the Security tab and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. Then tap on Manage All Devices. Here you will see all the devices where your Gmail account is currently signed in. Select the device you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove an Infinix X6725 device, tap on it. Now tap on Sign Out and confirm again by tapping Sign Out. Your Gmail account will be removed from that device. You can repeat these steps for any other devices listed here. And that's how you remove a Gmail account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.